Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the glitch sound effect in Ableton Live using Native Instruments Maschine MK3. It works great for transitions and it surely will make your track stand out. Let's have a listen. You can control the effect with the touchstrip on your Maschine MK3 controller, and I'll show you how to automate the glitch in the arrangement view. First, add the Maschine FX plugin to the master. You need to route your audio signal, so select Sound 1, Input, Audio, and set the source to In1 L+R. Now go to Group, add the Perform FX, and select Stutter. You can adjust the parameters to create different glitch patterns and rhythms. Now enable Perform FX Select on your controller and play around with the settings until you find something you like. Once you're happy with the glitch effect, you can record it into Ableton Live. To do this, click Configure and enable Engage and Length. Select your master and open the automation view with the A key on your keyboard. Select Maschine 2 FX and start with Engage. Draw an automation to enable and disable the effect. Then select Length and draw a line so you get the desired glitch effect. Now let's have a look at this transition. And there you have it. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more electronic music production tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.